Okay, good afternoon everyone.
Good afternoon.
Okay, so for today's lesson, we will learn about language features used in narrative text. But before that, I will ask you, do you still remember what we have learned at the previous meeting? About what? Yang udah kita pelajarin di pertemuan sebelumnya. Narrative text. What components of narrative text we learned? Yes, structure of narrative text. Whatever the structure of narrative text. What is orientation? It introduces what? Okay, so for today's lesson, we will learn about the language features used in narrative text. Jadi kita akan membahas tentang unsur-unsur kebahasaan yang digunakan dalam teks naratif. So why it is important to learn language features used in narrative text? Because it is important to make us easier in understanding and creating the narrative text. Jadi pentingnya mempelajari language features adalah karena itu membantu kita untuk memahami serta memahami dan membuat teks naratif tersebut. Before we begin the main activities, I will give you some pre-activity, but individual. It's for you. Can you put your handphone first? Okay. So what you should do is, there are many blank space here. Now you have to answer this by watching the video that I will show you, and I will play the video only twice. Hanya 2 kali. I will play for you, and you have to write the answer.
Past tense.
Once upon a time, on a hill far from the country in West
You just
Carolina,
can listen.
there was a beautiful girl and her four-year-old mother. Unfortunately, her character.
Okay, Kalista, can you read yours? Listen to Kalista, please. Listen to Kalista, please.
Once upon a time, on a hill far from the country.
Who want to read the second paragraph? Okay.
Every day she will only train herself in front of the mirror.
Who has answered? Yeah. Okay. Siapa nama? Kalista, please listen to your friend. Up your voice.
One day, the girl and her mother went to a market. The village boys who saw the girl were mesmerized by her beauty.
Who want to read the next paragraph?
Aku lagi.
Maybe the other, Devi?
Hi girl.
Up your voice in order your friend can listen and write their answer too.
Hi girl, you look so beautiful. And wait with the old woman behind you. Is she your mother? Asked the woman.
Maybe?
Of course, she's not. She's my friend. Say the girl arrogantly.
Okay, good. And then, oh yeah, Rumi?
The mother was calling her to turn her daughter.
Her daughters. Okay. Mom?
Why do you stop there? Let's get playing on one
We won.
children.
Okay. And then the last.
The ball finally turned into a stone that kept dripping water. That stone was then known as the crying stone.
Okay, have you done answer all?
Yeah.
Can you sit down?
Ya semua.
Okay, so what the first answer of the blank space?
Phone.
Okay, once upon a time is one one of the language features of used in narrative text. It usually used to begin the story.
Oh,
And then what is
west.
the third?
Live.
The third.
Live.
Yeah, live. Why is it live with ED?
Because-
Why is it not live?
Soalnya itu bilang
Past tense.
Yeah, good.
Past tense.
Past tense is one of the language features used in narrative text. And then what is after live?
Beautiful.
Yeah, beautiful. What kind of word is beautiful?
Narrative.
No, what kind of word?
Oh, who?
What kind of word? Yeah, betul. Yeah, adjective. Adjective is also one of the language features used in narrative text, like beautiful, poor. Okay, so there are 5 language features used in narrative text. The first one is simple past tense. You guys have learned about this? Okay, so the definition. So simple past tense used to tell about events or actions that happen in the past. Jadi simple past tense ini digunakan untuk menjelaskan atau memberitahukan tentang kegiatan atau kejadian yang sudah terjadi di masa lampau. Okay, and then there are 2 types of verbs that we have to pay attention in simple past tense. The first one is regular verbs. It is follow the regular pattern, like adding ed at the end of the word.
Cutting.
Do you understand until here? Okay, so the second is action verbs. Action verbs are words that show what the characters do in story. Seperti namanya action verbs. Jadi what is action in Indonesia?
aksi.
Ya, tindakan. And verbs, ya, jadi kata kerja tindakan. Jadi kata kerja itu adalah kata yang menunjukkan apa yang karakter itu lakukan di dalam cerita. Okay, adjectives, you have know about this. Adjective is kata sifat to describe the characters. For example, beautiful, poor, kind, cruel, arrogant, lazy, brave, rich, sad, and etc. Can you see? And then time conjunction. Time conjunction is words or phrases that show the order of events in a story. Jadi time conjunction ini dalam bahasa Indonesia kata penghubung waktu. Kata penghubung waktu, yaitu adalah kata atau frasa yang menunjukkan urutan kejadian di dalam cerita. Do you understand? Yes. And then the last is adverbs of time and place. It is the words or phrases that tell when or time and where the place or the events happen. Jadi adverbs of time and place atau kata keterangan tempat dan waktu adalah kata atau frasa yang memberitahukan tentang kapan dan di mana kejadian dalam cerita itu terjadi. That's all for the 5 language features of used in narrative text. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Is there anything that you don't understand? Okay, if you understand, I will give you make a circle with your group, guys. Please put your handphone where? Just in your bag or in under the table. Pay attention, please. Okay. Jadi apa yang harus kalian lakukan adalah the first one, you have to read this text first, and then kan tadi udah belajar tentang language features-nya. Nah, after that you have to write it in this
Apa yang
language features-nya dari teks yang sudah kalian baca, yaitu simple past tense, action verb-nya, adjective-nya, time conjunction-nya, adverbs of time, dan adverbs of place. Nah, terus habis itu kalian harus jawab, habis tulis semuanya, kalian jawab soal-soal 5 soal yang setelahnya, yang comprehension check.
boleh di
Maksimal berapa, Kak? Boleh 3 sebanyak-banyaknya. But per period just write once.
Oh, berarti ada
simple past
Don't
tense.
use ChatGPT.
There.
Don't use your phone.
Ada nggak?
But if there is a vocabulary that you don't know, you can ask me.
The thing was.
I'll give you 20 minutes, 20 minutes.
S non S.
Ini tadi ada
Ya.
nggak boleh nggak tahu. Dan habis ini next boleh next.
You can scroll like TikTok like that.
Saya dulu semua coba. Promise. Decided. Saya juga sih. Saya memutuskan yang beda deh. Memutuskan. Anda. Uang. Gol.
Soldier itu berkali.
No.
Ya itu verb-nya. Oke, time's up guys. Sudah ya. Hadap depan, semua hadap depan. Oke, maybe Kalistas group, can you mention simple past tense? The other two, please listen to Kalistas group. Please listen.
Yeah.
Patih had another idea.
Another.
idea.
Yeah,
The
super.
second one is the king was killed.
Okay. Is there anyone? The other group want to add the other simple past tense? Ada yang mau nambahin?
Coba apa aja tadi?
Yes. Oh, what? Up your face.
She asked her the advisor.
Yes. Advisor.
S kan action. Bagus mana?
Good. And then maybe Ruby's group. Can you mention action word?
Action.
Listen to Ruby's group. Listen to Ruby's group.
How?
Finish.
Kill.
Okay, so many. Okay, can you? Action verb. Action verb.
Action verb. Kill, battle, finish, learn, fail.
Battle.
Ya, itu is
Battle.
Sorry, salah.
Battle is noun.
Salah sebut kak.
Noun.
Turn,
Hmm?
ask. Ya,
Ask.
ya, ask.
Maybe Dira's group. Adjective. Can you mention adjective?
sifat.
Yeah.
Enggak ya.
Bayus group.
Ya,
Can you mention one conjunction? Time conjunction.
Conjunction itu not long, after, before morning, by the night.
Adverbs of time and place.
Place,
Time and place. Time and place.
Dua-duanya pasti ada.
Time soon. Adverb of place itu
Soon. Adverb of time soon. Itu masuk ke time conjunction.
Oh, adverb of time, time.
Ya.
Terus adverb of place itu in mana di temples in the main hall.
Okay, good. And then now, Davis group, can you answer part B, number 1? Up your voice and please listen to. Yeah. Up your voice, ma'am.
She was a daughter of the king Prabhupaka.
Can you hear Davis answer?
No.
Keep silent, please.
She was a daughter of the king Prabhupaka through the old Japanese kingdom of Japan.
Is Davis answer correct? Rumi's group, can you answer number 2? Is Misha's answer is correct? Correct. Please answer number 3. Stand up, please. Stand up, please. The other, please listen, Kalista. Please listen. Mira's answer.
What was the punishment for Batu Bandawasa?
Hey, listen,
For Batu Bandawasa to marry her, if he built a temple and put it wells in just one night.
Yeah, is her answer correct?
Yeah, correct.
Okay. Yeah, number 4.
Apa tadi? Batu Bandawasa just will only 999
So what is the last answer? What happened to Jonggrang at the end of the story?
Turn into a stone.
Is this task hard?
Nah.
No. Why do you often ask me? Can you arrange your seat first before closing? Okay, so we have. Can you please use your phone first? Okay. So we have reached at the end of the lesson. So what have we learned today? Apa yang udah kita pelajarin hari ini? Ya. Apa namanya adjective, adverb itu apa namanya? So there are 5 kan? Whatever. First one is
Adjective.
simple. Yeah, action verb and then yeah, and then the third one.
Adverb of time.
Time conjunctions. And then the last one.
Adverb of time to say.
Yeah, good. So, what is the function of this language feature?
The function.
Apa fungsinya kita mempelajari unsur-unsur bahasa di narrative text? Ya, good. Kita juga bisa memudahkan kita untuk
Membuat cerita.
ya menulis cerita, memudahkan juga untuk para pembaca ya untuk memahami ceritanya. Okay, so maybe I will give you homework. But the homework is you have to write 5 sentences. Yeah, 1 sentence for each language features. For example, the first sentence you have to write using simple past tense. Do you understand?
Yeah.
The next sentence you have to write it use action verbs and then adjectives, adverbs of time and place, and time conjunctions. Okay. So, are you happy in this class? Okay, so maybe a message for you. Maybe you have to respect to your teacher while explaining, because in order you don't miss the information. Jadi kalian tuh harus memperhatikan guru di depan agar kalian tidak ketinggalan informasinya yang diberikan. Okay?
Okay.
So that's all for today. Thank you for being active and paying attention to me. That's all, and see you tomorrow. See you. Goodbye.
Bye.
Stand up.
Stand up. Greetings to the teacher.
Thank you and see you, teacher.